Children, hope you people are doing well. I hope that you people are enjoying these videos. Today we will read the C part of the first unit, the new blue dress. Helping other is a good habit. Helping others is not only good for them, but it also makes us happier and healthier. If you want to feel good, do good. So children, the new blue dress is a very interesting story. Listen it carefully. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change Gates Avenue. People who lived on the pretty streets near Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. But Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. Gates Avenue was a short street, but it seemed longer because it was so ugly. Most of the families who lived there had a very little money. They never expected to have any more. Their houses had not been painted for many years, and they did not even have running water. The street itself was ugly too. There was no pavement, there was no street light. And the railroad at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. The other girls in the school near Gates Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring. But the little girl from Gates Avenue still wore the dirty dress that she had worn all winter. Probably that was the only dress she owned. The teacher was very unhappy. The little girl was so nice. She always worked hard in school. She was always friendly and polite. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy. But anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. One day the teacher asked her to clean her face and come. The next morning, when the child came to the school, her face was pretty and her hair was tidy. That afternoon, before the little girl went home, the teacher asked her to get her dress washed. But the little girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. Her mother is probably not interested in her, the teacher thought. So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The next morning she came to school in her new blue dress and she was clean and tidy. The girl told the teacher in excitement that her mother was surprised to see her in her new blue dress. When her father saw her in the new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. The family had never used a tablecloth before. His wife told him that they were going to be tidier. After supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. Her husband watched silently for several moments. Then he went outside and began to repair the fence. The next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. During the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing, and by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house for the first time in 10 years. A few days later, the young minister of a church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. For the first time he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue and no street light and no running water. And he thought that the people who are trying so hard to make the decent home deserve some help. He asked some important citizens in the city to help them. A few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on Gates Avenue, there was a street light on the corner, and the houses had running water. 6 months after the little girl got a new blue dress, the Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. When people in other places heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Since 1913, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who live in them. Who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? So children, you have seen how a small help from the teacher brought a great change not only in little girl's life but also in the whole society. So children, always help others. I hope you people have enjoyed the story. Now take down the assignment, children. What happened to the Gates Avenue by the end of the story? Write the moral of the story. Thank you.